Welcome back to Day 60, Magnetic Content Through Authenticity. One of the things that I really want to go over with you today is the secret of that magnetic content. Have you ever wondered how some people attract their perfect audience so easily? It's not a strategy, friends. It's authenticity. Magnetic content happens whenever your heart and your message align. You don't need to copy trends. You just need to speak from the truth. People are drawn to your realness. The more you share from your own experiences, the more your message will attract the right people. So today I want you to share one post or video about something that truly you believe in. Don't overthink it. Just speak from your heart. It could be a lesson. It could be a belief. It could be an encouragement that helped you recently. Whatever it is, that's one practical application that I want you to do today. So the world doesn't need another car. It needs your voice. Your people will find you when you stay true to who you are. So I want you to understand the only person that can grow your journey, your digital journey, is you. So be authentic. Get that magnetic content that you're going to attract your perfect customer, but understand who is your perfect customer. Anyone a secret? Your perfect customer is just a younger version of you. Who did you want to be when you grew up? You're growing up. Now, who are you going to help get where you are? I want to tell you one thing. If you understand the online space, there's just somebody that started 30, 60, 90, 120 days before you. If you sit there and you really think about it, those people started and they grew because they had a mission and they had a dream and they had a desire to go there. You have a desire too. And all you have to do is be authentic with your desire because people can see the real you. So tag me when you post your magnetic message so I can celebrate you showing up in your authenticity. I'll see you tomorrow, friends, for Day 61.